messy bench. I'm going to do one little quick review. I picked up this little puppy. You can't see it yet, but it's heavy. It's actually, it's a bench vise. I picked it up on my way to Watertown. So let me do this first with no further ado. Picked up this little puppy here. It's a Reed 103R. Doesn't swivel. It is in very nice shape, and the mosquitoes are eating me. If you want to look at it, it's in very good shape. It's got a few dings and dangs, but I hear metal on metal. I don't know if the person who does this painted it or what, but they did quite the interesting job cleaning it, because it looks awfully shiny. But it's really nice. It's a Reed Manufacturing, Erie. Apparently it's 70. Apparently there's a date on the side which I didn't see, which is stamped in right here, which is 11/51. So it was made 1951. Thank you to whoever on my on Facebook showed me. I don't own any Reed vices, so this is my first one. It was extremely cheap, so I was like, you know what? I can't resist. Let's buy another Reed vise, another bench vise, I should say. As I stated, it is in very nice shape. A few dings and dangs. I like this mounting plate, because not every. I mean, I'll put this on the trophy shelf. I might bench this one up, but I'm not sure. I might use this one, that one. I'm definitely using my dad's old vise. I have its twin on the bench over here, so I might use those. I will probably put this one and another one into service, and the rest I'll just rotate. So yeah, it's nice to have more than one vise. And yeah, got myself a Reed. The place where I got it has two more Reed vices. They have a bigger one and they have a slightly smaller one. So I might go back and see if they still have it. Ugh, these mosquitoes. Other than that, just a quick video. I'll do another video and go over a bunch of vices next time and just make some random vice videos. I will probably go over this one and the Chaz Parker and just dissect them, take them apart, show how they come apart. Not even sure how this one comes apart. So if you like vices, check out my channel. Right now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vices sitting on my bench. There was like 8 or 9, so I got some more on the floor there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles, and thank you.